Hello friends, welcome to Soumya's cookbook. I'm sure many of you guys must be wondering what this yummy looking dish is. It is potato wrapped prawns. Sounds interesting, right? It's a super delicious appetizer and tastes awesome. Let's see how we are going to wrap prawns in potato. For this recipe, first I have taken here about 200 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns here. These are king prawns. Try to take big size like this. So first what you need to do, take the prawn, make few gashes in the inside like this. Like thin gashes like this, so they will not round up. Keep them aside. Now add them into the bowl. Let's do little marination. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, small pinch of turmeric, some salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Keep this aside for some time. By then we can continue with the rest of the process. Now take any 2 big sized potatoes, peel the skin off. Now take a spiralizer like this. This is a vegetable spiralizer. It will be like this. It has this kind of a blade. You can use this spiralizer to make different kinds of vegetable noodles like with carrots, courgettes, etc. I will give a link to where you can buy this from in the description below. Take the peeled potato, insert like this and rotate. You'll get noodles like this nicely. As you can see, we have nice long noodles of potato like this. This is how we want. Let's see how these are. Nice and big noodles like this. See? So now let's add some spices to this. Now take a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, some salt, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix these all well without any lumps. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning also you can add. Give it all a mix. Check the salt and spice level. Now you can sprinkle this spice powder onto these potato noodles. Do not add too much of spices, only a little bit just to cover, and mix it gently. Be careful not to break the noodles. You can also make this recipe with normal Chinese noodles or egg noodles. I'll show you that recipe another time. Mix it nicely. Do not break any of these. Now take the marinated prawns. Take small toothpicks like this. Take the prawns. Insert these nicely. Like this. Make all of these ready. Now take a prawn. Choose a long noodle like this and try wrapping it around this like this. Do not break it. Make a knot like this. Keep it aside. Take another one. Choose a long noodle like this and start rolling it. These are nicely ready now and we can fry these. Now heat the oil in the pan. Once oil is heated, gently drop these into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd them. Cook them nicely. Now gently turn them to the other side and cook them on the other side as well for about 1 minute. They got nice and crispy. Let's take them onto a serving plate. The potato wrapped prawns are ready to serve now. They are looking very yummy with nice crunchy potatoes outside and juicy prawn inside. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Also, please do follow my Facebook page and also my YouTube channel for more such interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.